So I'm Damien Bertheloot. I'm a French scientist working at the University Clinic, actually in the institute or the clinic for orthopedic and trauma surgery. So I had the luck to give a few lectures at the Liebfrauenschule, where I could give some introduction about immunology and especially the big machines that make the immune system work, the immune cells. So during my lectures, I actually used videos of cells really in action, and I can remember that they were really fascinated to see real cells, really how they look like. It's much better than what they see in the lab, in the school rather. And I could tell that because they were really like their faces completely light up, and they were, wow, this is so cool. So, and that really helped as well to kind of keep them engaged with the lecture, so they could really see, oh, that's my picture, I've drawn that. And I think that was also a great introduction for them already to be a little bit prepared. So as a French scientist, one of the biggest challenges for me was to bring the lecture in German and use the proper terminology, so to explain accurately the immune system while still being easy enough to be understood by the students. And to deal with that, I prepared a little bit, so I learned some words, and I think as well using these cartoons actually really helped to keep the student engaged and with me, although sometimes maybe my wording was not quite as accurate as I would have wanted. So I think that helped a lot. Absolutely. So I would definitely participate again, because I think this is such an important thing to do, to really bring science to the students and to the young generation, especially in the times we are in where science is less and less trusted in the population. I think this is really important that scientists keep doing this, and I would definitely advise any scientist to be involved in such projects. Yeah. I would definitely advise them to try and go in science if that's what they like. Especially there is not only science that can be done in the university, so in academia, but also in industry. There's a lot of different jobs that are there. And the advice I would have to give them is to keep being curious, keep on asking tons of questions, and find the topic that fascinates you the most, and keep going for it, keep learning, learn more about that topic, and you will kind of progress in the science this way.